This topic has come up in conversation a number of times, so I wanted to share this with you because in business you have two bank accounts, and that doesn't include the offshore accounts that you've got for tax evasion. We can talk about them later, maybe not record it, but you've got two bank accounts. First of all, you've got your current account. That's the one you know about. God, I hope you know about it. And your emotional bank account. And it's easy to get overdrawn in both. So let me explain what I mean by this. So on the left-hand side, we've got the Royal Bank of Me. And the Royal Bank of Me is my emotional bank account. So how do I make sure I'm in credit and avoid being overdrawn in my emotional bank account? And then on the right-hand side, we've got our main business current account. We'll call that the really bad, stupid bank. So let's look at the emotional bank account first of all. How do we get into credit in our emotional bank account? Well, we start working on our business. That puts a lot into our emotional bank account. We start working on ourselves. That puts a huge amount into our emotional bank account. And we help others, customers, our team, our family, our friends, and that puts massive amounts into our emotional bank account. And from that, well, that just naturally transfers into our business account. And that's a great place to be. Does that make sense so far? Now let's flip this and look at our emotional bank account, how we can get overdrawn in our emotional bank account. Well, we can work in the business far too much and we lose sight of where we're going. That's not great. That's going to put some stress onto the emotional bank account. We're maybe not focusing so much on our own self-development or perhaps even our own health and things. And that's definitely going to get us overdrawn in the emotional bank account because we're going to feel pretty shitty, let's be honest. And we might not be looking after our friends and our family and our customers, and that's not going to be great for the emotional bank account either. And that also has an effect on our current account. And all of a sudden, we're not in such a great place. And we're not so happy. Because what happens in our emotional bank account links to our current account. And that's why I wanted to share this with you, because true financial freedom comes from balancing your bank accounts. I hope you found that helpful.